I think I messed up. I missed a PhD form deadline. Don't be me. Step 1. Enrollment number. MIS profile. Done by admissions. Reported to the department. Step 2. Department floats eligible supervisors. Scholar picks after interaction. Step 3. DPPC assigns supervisors. Proposes doctoral committees to the dean. Proposes to the Senate for approval. Step 4. Post-approval. File PhD Form 5. File PhD Form 6. Coursework assigned within 15 days. Step 5. Form the Comprehensive Exam Committee. Submit Form 7. Submit Form 8. Step 6. Register thesis title via Form 9. Form 10. Prepare synopsis. Submit Form 13. Submit Form 14. Plus plagiarism report. Step 7. After examiner reports, revise thesis. Propose OEB. Finalize Viva. Submit Form 16. Follow this order. Tick the forms. You'll sail to Viva smoothly.